how to group media elements in Camtasia to use it again and again in every project. Here, you can see I have this subscribe animation along with logo of my brand. So this is in 3 tracks, which I need to move wherever I need the animation. Instead of this 3 tracks, I can group it as a single track. All I need to do is select all the media elements that I need in the group and right-click on my mouse. Here I need to select the group from the list. And done instantly, grouping all the elements into one single track, which I can drag anywhere on the timeline. I can right-click on the group and rename the group appropriately. Again, to edit the group, I can click this plus option, open group, edit it. I can change any media element here. I can add any media element, like image, or video clip, or an audio file here. Or I can change the transition effect on any of the media elements in the group. And close it to save it, like this. I can add this group to library to use it again and again in every other project on Camtasia. To add the group to the library, I need to right-click on my mouse and select Add to Library from the list of options. Every time I open to create a new project, all I need to do is open Library panel and add this group to my project timeline and use it into the project. And we are done with this video tutorial. Please like, share, and comment on my video. And do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.